Two Ram 5.7 Hemi trucks came through the shop with almost the same mileage, almost the same use, and almost the same maintenance history. One owner ran regular gas because that is what he had always used. The other owner ran premium every single fill-up because somebody told him it would protect the engine, keep it cleaner, and make the truck last longer. After 100,000 miles, we had enough service records, fuel logs, scan data, spark plug inspections, and drivability notes to compare them properly. And the results shocked a lot of people because the premium fuel truck did not magically look healthier inside. I am Buck, 12 years as a Mopar dealer tech, and today I am breaking down what really happened when we ran regular versus premium gas in two Ram 5.7 Hemis for 100,000 miles. I will explain what premium actually does, when it helps, when it is a waste of money, and why a lot of Ram owners are paying extra at the pump for protection their engine may not even be using. If you own a Ram and want more Hemi maintenance advice, fuel tests, and money-saving truck tips, hit the like button and subscribe while you are here. This channel is for Ram owners who want to know what actually helps the truck, not just what sounds good at the gas station. The first thing you need to understand is what octane means. A lot of people think premium gas is stronger, cleaner, or packed with more power. That is not really how it works. Octane is a fuel's resistance to knock or detonation. In simple terms, it tells you how well the fuel resists igniting too early under pressure and heat. That matters in engines with higher compression, boost, aggressive timing, heavy load, or tuning that is designed to take advantage of higher octane. But if the engine is calibrated to run on regular or mid-grade fuel and it is not knocking, premium fuel does not automatically add horsepower, clean the engine better, or protect parts that were never in danger. On many Ram 5.7 Hemi trucks, regular unleaded is acceptable, while 89 octane is often recommended for best performance depending on the year and owner's manual. Some owners run 87 for normal driving, some run 89 because it is the recommended middle ground. Some run premium 91 or 93 because they believe more expensive must mean better. That is the myth we wanted to test. The regular fuel Ram was driven like a normal truck. It saw commuting, highway miles, light towing, errands, and some stop-and-go traffic. The owner kept oil changes consistent, used decent fuel from normal stations, and did not overthink it. He was not chasing performance. He just wanted the truck to run reliably without spending extra money at every fill-up. The premium fuel Ram lived a very similar life. Similar mileage, similar use, similar service intervals, and similar driving conditions. The owner paid extra every tank because he believed premium would keep the Hemi cleaner, make more power, protect the lifters, and prevent long-term wear. After 100,000 miles, both trucks were still running well. Both started fine. Both had normal compression. Both had normal scan data. Neither one had a magical advantage that matched the extra money spent on premium fuel. Premium did not hurt the truck, but it also did not turn the 5.7 Hemi into a different engine. That is the part Ram owners need to hear. Premium did not erase normal carbon buildup. It did not prevent ordinary wear. It did not make the oil cleaner, and it did not stop every Hemi issue owners worry about. The premium truck was healthy, but so was the regular fuel truck. If this kind of Ram breakdown is helping you, hit subscribe now. I make videos like this so owners stop wasting money on things their truck does not actually need. Now, there were small differences. Under normal daily driving, the difference in fuel economy was tiny. Some tanks looked better on premium, some looked the same, and once you factor in different traffic, weather, throttle use, and load, the difference was not enough to justify the extra cost for the average owner. If you are paying 40, 50, or 60 cents more per gallon for premium over 100,000 miles, the fuel economy would need to improve a lot to make the math work. For most normal Hemi driving, it did not. The regular fuel truck did not show signs that the engine was constantly pulling timing or fighting knock under normal conditions. The premium fuel truck had more knock resistance available, but the engine was not always asking for it. That is the key point. Higher octane only helps when the engine is knock limited or calibrated to use the extra octane with more timing, more load, or more aggressive operation. If the computer is already happy on regular or 89, premium becomes an expensive comfort blanket. Now, I am not saying octane never matters on a 5.7 Hemi. It can matter. If your manual recommends 89 octane, I would not ignore that. 89 is often the best balance for many Hemi owners because it gives the engine more knock resistance than regular without paying full premium prices. Premium can also make sense under heavy towing, hot weather, long grades, high elevation, or if the truck is tuned for premium. Heat and load raise cylinder pressure pressure and combustion temperature. That is when knock resistance matters more. If you are pulling a trailer through hills in summer, or the truck is loaded heavy and working hard, higher octane can help the computer hold timing instead of pulling power to protect the engine. But that is very different from saying every Ram needs premium every day. For a normal daily driver, mostly empty, light towing, and regular commuting, premium usually does not pay for itself. For a hard-working Hemi in heat and load, stepping up to 89 or sometimes premium can make sense depending on what the truck is doing. The fuel you choose should match the work the truck is doing. We also check spark plug condition. A lot of owners believe premium burns cleaner and makes spark plugs last longer, but that is not what we saw in a meaningful way. Both trucks had plug wear that matched mileage and maintenance. The premium fuel truck did not have spark plugs that looked brand new compared to the regular fuel truck. Spark plugs care about air-fuel mixture, ignition health, oil consumption, combustion quality, and whether the engine is running correctly. They do not magically stay perfect because the pump says premium. We also looked at carbon and intake condition. This is another place where people misunderstand fuel. Premium octane is not the same thing as better detergent quality. What matters more is using good fuel from a reputable station, preferably top-tier fuel where available, because detergent additives help keep injectors and combustion areas cleaner. Premium from a bad station is not automatically better than regular from a good station. The number on the pump is not the whole story. Now let's talk about power. Can a 5.7 Hemi make more power on premium? Sometimes a little, depending on year, calibration, temperature, load, and whether the engine was pulling timing on lower octane. But for normal driving, most owners are not going to feel a huge difference. If the truck was already running happily on the recommended fuel, premium will not suddenly unlock hidden horsepower. If the truck is tuned, that changes everything. A custom tune designed for 91 or 93 octane can use more timing and take advantage of the fuel. In that case, you must run what the tune requires. Running regular fuel on a premium tune is how you create knock, lost power, and possible damage. But on a stock 5.7 Hemi, the safest advice is to follow the owner's manual for your exact year. If it recommends 89, use 89 when you want the best balance. If it allows 87, regular may be fine for light-duty use. If you tow heavy or run in extreme heat, higher octane may be cheap insurance. If you are tuned for premium, premium is not optional. The important word is exact. Your exact year matters. Your exact engine matters. Your exact tune matters. Do not take advice from a different truck, different generation, or different engine and apply it blindly. Now let's talk cost, because this is where the result really shocked the premium owner. Over 100,000 miles, the extra cost of premium adds up fast. If premium is 50 cents more per gallon and your Ram averages around 15 miles per gallon, you are buying thousands of gallons over that mileage. That can turn into thousands of dollars spent just on the belief that premium was protecting the engine. If the truck is tuned for premium, towing hard, or actually benefiting from the octane, that money may be justified. But if the truck is a stock daily driver and the engine is not asking for it, that money could have been used on oil changes, spark plugs, transmission service, tires, brakes, coolant service, a PCV valve, throttle body cleaning, or a quality scan tool. Those things often do more for long-term reliability than paying for premium when the engine does not need it. So what should Ram owners actually do? If your 5.7 Hemi is stock, mostly daily driven, lightly loaded, and your manual allows regular fuel, regular from a good station is usually fine. If your manual recommends 89, that is the smart middle ground for many owners. If you tow, haul, drive in high heat, climb grades, or hear pinging under load, step up in octane and see if the truck runs smoother. If you have a performance tune, run exactly what the tuner requires. But do not use premium as a replacement for maintenance. Premium will not fix old spark plugs, a dirty throttle body, a weak coil, a bad injector, dirty oil, low compression, or a cheap oil filter. If your Ram feels lazy, scan it. Look at fuel trims, coolant temperature, misfire data, air filter condition, PCV health, exhaust leaks, and brake drag. A lot of owners blame the fuel when the truck is actually asking for maintenance. After 100,000 miles, the result was simple. Regular fuel did not destroy the stock Hemi under normal use, and premium did not magically preserve it. The better choice depends on what your owner's manual says, how the truck is driven, and whether the engine is actually using the extra octane. For the average stock Ram owner, premium every tank is usually not the best place to spend money. For the owner towing heavy in heat, running a tune, or fighting knock under load, higher octane can be worth it. For many 5.7 owners, 89 is the practical middle ground if that is what your truck recommends. The fuel companies want you to believe premium is always better, but the engine only benefits from octane when it needs octane. Otherwise, you are just buying a more expensive version of fuel your truck may not use any differently. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe before you leave. I cover Ram Hemi fuel tests, oil change mistakes, lifter failure warnings, cheap fixes, dealer shortcuts, and maintenance habits that can save owners thousands. Drop a comment with your Ram's year, engine, mileage, and what fuel you run, regular, 89, or premium. I want to see how many owners switched fuels and actually noticed a difference. I will see you in the next one.